Mmm. It's so good. Just a little bit of sweetness. My mouth is watering. A little bit of sweetness, the tanginess, and a little hint of salt. It's so delicious. Hi guys, so I've been making this very simple salad dressing all summer and I wanted to share with you. It's very quick. You only need like 3 things and you're done. So you need a container, you need extra virgin olive oil. It's very few ingredients, so the quality of the ingredients that you're using matters. So extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And then apple cider vinegar. Shake it, mix it all together. And you're just gonna pour. There's really no measurement. You're just gonna make it based on how you want it to taste. If you want it to be more creamier, add more oil. If you want it to be more acidic, add more apple cider vinegar. And then you need mustard for a little like tanginess. Just about this much. If you want more, you add more. You need salt, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then you need honey to balance all the acidity and the, the biteness. So you need just a little bit of honey. You probably can even try using maple syrup and it will probably work just as fine. So, and just like this. And then you just shake everything. Shake, shake, shake. And then you get it looking like this. And now we taste. Let me grab a spoon. So this is that's the consistency. And we're gonna, perfect. Just like that. And you can pour it on anything, any salad. And it's so good. I could just drink it. That's how good it is. But this is what I've been using this summer to put on all my salad dressing. And I wanted to share with you. So try it. If you have any quick summer recipes, please put it down in the comments. Give a thumbs up to this video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.